how to install DAVINCI Resolve 19 in Windows 11. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will be showing you on how you can do this quickly and easily. Now you want to head over to your browser right here. You could go ahead and open up any browser you have installed to your device. Once inside, you can then go ahead and search for DAVINCI Resolve. And from here, you want to navigate through the official website, which is blackmagicdesign.com. From here, you can then go ahead and scroll down and you want to find this button right here for DAVINCI Resolve 19. Click on free download now. Select your Windows. In my case, it's going to be Windows x86. From here, it will then go ahead and ask you for your details. And right after that, you can go ahead and click on register and download button. But to make things easier, you can just click on the download only button. Click on DAVINCI Resolve 19 Studio Windows zip, and the application will automatically download into our device right here. From there, go ahead and extract the folder and you will be able to install DAVINCI Resolve 19. If this video has been helpful, leave us a like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.